Here with my 2020 Ducati Multitroller 1260S. I just put some new accessory, GoPro accessory in my helmet, and I would like to share with fellow biker. I have the GoPro 10, and I used to have the GoPro 7, and the amount with a GoPro 7 doesn't work with the one I have for 10. So I saw this accessory on the eBay, so I put it on my GoPro and it worked fine and it's nice, so I decided to share that with you guys. I'm gonna try update the picture of that right now in my here. This is the amount I was talking about it for the GoPro 10 amount and a helmet. You can see right here, from here all the way in the bottom to here, and you put the GoPro on this right here, and I still can open my ventilator here, and you can attach your GoPro to this right here in case you don't want your GoPro fell out when you riding, and the GoPro got enough room. You can tape this up for it. Look, you can open it and close down a little bit to give your GoPro little space, because the GoPro 10 is bigger than GoPro 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can tape for it or tape back a little bit to give it enough space to your GoPro. And this thing is like maybe $7 or $8 if I'm not mistaken. It is a very good accessory for a GoPro 10 to have your GoPro mount on your helmet, the front area, nicely. So this is what I want to show you guys, because I was struggling how to mount my GoPro and in my helmet, my GoPro 10 in my helmet. So I have to have some arm. My GoPro was like from me, like hip right here, and the wing speed was kind of like blow on that. So when I turn my head, I can feel the drag a little bit. And when I saw this thing, the eBay, I bought it and put it in my helmet, and it worked fine for me. And I have two helmets. I put on both of them. You can see right here, the second one right here. This is a Shoei helmet, Shoei 1200F. And the second one right here, the same thing. I can tape over and tape back, open the ventilator and close, no problem. It's all the way in the bottom side. You can see right here, it's all the way in the bottom. It doesn't bother you at all. This is Silamoto. That's my little accessory I want to share with you guys. Thanks for watching.